Basically,
Does she have a court order?
basically, because there is an open case, an open investigation, the kids are still kind of under their.
That has nothing to do with me.
To check on a so-called welfare concern. But when the man asked for proof of a court order or any legal paperwork, things quickly changed. What unfolded next was uncomfortable to watch.
Nathan? She just needs to make sure all this stuff is in place. Basically,
Does she have a court order?
basically, because there is an open case, an open investigation, the kids are still kind of under their.
That has nothing to do with me.
Sir.
It doesn't have anything to do with us. If it does, show paper.
Sir.
She could go across the street.
She just needs to check the kids, where the kids are living. That
No,
kind of
she
stuff.
doesn't.
Yes, that she does. That's what she does.
Or, does she have a court order?
She doesn't have to have a court order.
Yes, she
It's
does.
an open investigation for
Come into my house. She's an employee of the state. She's a government
It
representative.
doesn't work like the police. They have a lot more rights than what we do.
Though they don't have more rights than the Constitution gives me.
They're gonna
It has nothing to do with me.
Listen to me for a second.
Go
It has
ask
nothing
Sheila
to do
why
with
she
me.
did
For a second.
It has nothing to do with
All
me.
you gotta do is cooperate with them. That's all
I'm not going to.
Go ask Gail what's going on.
I'm not going to because it has nothing to do with me.
But it does the kids.
It has nothing to do with me and the kids. It has to do with her and the kids and her being
Regardless
neglectful.
of
I don't care.
Regardless of
Have her
her
get a court
situation.
order and then she could come in. Okay?
She just
Have her
has
get
to
it signed by the judge and she can come in. All right?
They're going to end up taking the kids.
Oh, I know you think that, but you know what? You don't know the law.
I do know the law.
As much as you think you know the law, they can't take my kids.
Yes, they can.
No, they can't. I'm not under
It
investigation.
has nothing to do with you being under investigation. Do
Oh
you?
yeah, just because my ex-wife is under investigation, they cannot take my
It's
kids.
the welfare of the kids. Period. It has nothing to do with the parents.
Yeah, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah,
Just gotta
it
see that
does.
They're safe.
Show
That's a
us
lie.
a piece of paper.
If she really wanted to come in here, she would get a order signed by the judge. Now, right now, I'm being harassed.
You're
I
not
feel-
being harassed.
Yes, because every day I have to deal with Elkins PD because of her, because my ex-wife.
Maybe you should remove yourself from the situation and make it better.
I did. She's not living here anymore. So it has nothing to do with me.
Okay.
It's not the state's role to step in without cause. That's the duty of parents to oversee their own children. Unless there's solid proof of neglect or harm, showing up uninvited crosses a clear constitutional line.
I can't hear you.
Regardless, I still have to check health and safety. I need to see that image tracker is on him, that the alarms are here, and that there's still the cameras to keep
Or
him safe.
what?
Well, there's an open protective services case, and the children are listed as the victims, so I will file the 30-day, and then we will be in front of the judge. So it's your
Okay,
choice.
we'll go in front of the judge.
Okay, I'll see you
Because,
at court.
all right.
Thank you.
This man handled the encounter perfectly. But remember, everyone, the easiest way to avoid situations like this is to never open your door to law enforcement without proper cause. You are under no obligation to do so unless an officer presents a legitimate arrest or search warrant. Even when they claim it's official business, your Fourth Amendment rights protect you from unlawful intrusion. Checking on your family's well-being is not a lawful excuse for them to bypass those rights. In many instances, agencies like CPS or DHS bring officers along to pressure compliance and gain access without consent. They often try to enter based on vague reports, ignoring the need for a court order in the process. But this man knew better. He stood his ground and said plainly, "Come back with a court order." That single line made all the difference. When the officials didn't get their way, they became defensive, even threatening legal action to push their agenda. This proves why understanding your constitutional rights is critical, so you can stay confident, calm, and unshaken in your own home.